Well, you might be wondering why I've brought you here. We are at the beautiful campsite situated at North Kessock, and the farm or farmers that own it, Rod and Linda Gillies, they are such lovely hosts, and they have such a beautiful site here, which you'll see when I take this off the ground. So let's go and have a look. Okay.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, so I'll start off by just showing you a little bit around the area where we are. And what you're seeing here is the Bewley Firth, which is on the west side of the Cromarty Bridge, which goes from Inverness across to the Black Isle. It is just gorgeous. Now, I'll take the camera down and you'll see the site nestled in between all these lovely conifers. It is just absolutely beautiful. So, I'll gain a wee bit more height and let you see a bit more of the surrounding area. It's not a big site, but towards the top of the image now you can see the toilet units. They're basically prefabricated toilets and showers, and they're immaculate. You could have your meal in there, and it's just, they're so clean and well kept. So again, we'll raise the camera and take a wee look around, and there in the middle distance, or distance, is Inverness, and I'll maybe take it up a bit higher in a moment and hopefully you'll see the Kessock Bridge. But here is just a 360 of the area that we're in, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And why wouldn't it be? It's Scotland. And coming into view about now, there we are with the red roof. That's Rod and Linda's farm. And I believe I'm right in saying that it's their neighbours that have this Christmas tree plantation here. And there are 1 or 2 trees in there. And here we are back to the site. So let's go up a bit higher and see if we can see the bridge. Yeah, you can just see, I'm not going to go any higher, you can just see there the bridge, which is the A9 going from South Kessock to North Kessock. So I'll head back to the site.